Hey guys, it's Jennifer with another quick Swagbucks tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your first $400 with Swagbucks. Now keep in mind that in order to receive your Swagbucks, you must be a first-time user of either of these companies. So in order to make your first $300, you might sign up with Uber and make your first ride within 30 days. The same goes with DoorDash. You must make your first delivery within 30 days to receive your $100. Now they did have a bonus where if you completed both of these offers, you receive an extra $100. I'm sorry for telling you guys kind of late. This offer was available between November 21st and November 23rd, but they will probably have this promotion available in the future. So if you're not a member of Swagbucks yet, make sure you sign up and keep an eye out for any special promotions that they're having or any special bonus Swagbucks. Now they do have other offers that you can check out if you're not interested in Uber or DoorDash. You can open an Allianz savings account, and if you get approved, you will get $75. And if you sign up for Wing and sign up for a wine subscription, you will get $45. Now keep in mind that this is a subscription, so if you don't cancel, you will get charged every single month. But you don't need to keep on paying to get your 4,500 Swagbucks. You can just pay for 4 bottles for $30 and you will receive your Swagbucks. They do have another offer where if you play Star Trek Fleet Command and you complete level 21 within 30 days, you will get $90. And if you sign up for a Sophie account and you make a minimum deposit of $50, you will get $200. So make sure to check out Swagbucks, and if you haven't joined yet, make sure that you sign up through the link under my video. Thank you for watching. Take care.